Hey everybody. So I've just got a short little video here for you today along with some still photos. But let me give you a little context. So my youngest son's birthday is coming up later this month, and he'll be 21 years old. And the primary gift that I got him was a new pocket knife. It's actually a Benchmade 535 Bugout. So I bought it from a dealer here locally, and a few days after I bought it, I took it back up there and I asked them, I said, hey, can you send this to Benchmade and have it laser engraved? And while they said yes, they could certainly do that, they also told me that there was a local contact here, a gentleman that had a business that did laser etching that I could reach out to. So I got his information and reached out to him, and sure enough, set up an appointment. It was actually for this morning. And I went out there and I told him what I wanted, and, had it on a piece of paper and showed that to him. And, he etched it on a piece of scrap metal, to show it to me and make sure I was happy with it. And I was. So we moved forward with the etching of the knife. And I'll tell you, it looks so good to me. I mean, I'm not an expert with laser etching by any means, but I'm super happy with the results. His name is Mark, and he owns NC Engravers. He tends to do more work with pistol customizations, slides, barrels, things of that nature. And I'll list links to his website, and he's got a YouTube channel too, I found out from him. So I'll link that in there. And I think he has an Instagram page as well. And if I can find that, I'll put that link in there too. And I'm certainly not endorsed by him nor his company. I was just so impressed with the result and the quick turnaround. I was there for just a few minutes, and I just thought I would mention him and his company by name because he certainly did an incredible job for me, and I'm very grateful for that. But the primary reason for this video is for my son. I want him to see the video that I took of one of the sides of the blade being etched with the laser. I thought that was kind of neat. But anyway, thanks for watching. And Mark, if you happen to see this video, thanks again. I really appreciate it, and I'll be bringing you some more business here very soon. All right, folks. Thanks.